given, match the column. Similes have been given, you have to match them with column B. I'm giving you 1 minute, you have to do it quickly. You just try to, just use your knowledge. जैसा भी आपको समझ आता है पहले आप करो, ठीक है? Page 128. Randomly 3 questions will be asked from offline students and 3 from online. ठीक है? I just want to see कौन सही बताता है. So your time starts now. You have 1 minute. After doing this exercise, I'll tell you the meaning of simile. What is simile? One minute more. 1 minute. Yes, online and offline students, time up. Now I will ask offline students and I request them to speak slowly so that I can ask online students again. So I'm starting with that line, Ishpreet. First answer, speak slowly and please tell me. As strong as an ox. Okay, fine. Second line, second answer, raise your hand. Who knows the answer? As wise as an owl. Third line, third answer. Yes, beta. Okay, fine. Yes, beta. Fight. Okay. I'll tell you, beta. Give me 1 minute. So I'm going to unmute Sana. She's the first one who's raising hand. And please, beta, be quiet. Sana, tell me the first answer. As strong as an ox. As strong as an ox.
Very, very strong.
Yes, very strong. So beta, you people might have seen ox in your life. Obviously, ox sabne dekha hua hai, right? So ox is very strong. So sometimes when a person is so strong, we compare that person to ox. ठीक है? So wrestling जो देखते हैं उनको ज़्यादा पता होगा boys. ठीक है? Wrestling, I think you people watch wrestling. So sometime one very strong wrestler is there and we generally compare him to ox. ठीक है? He is as strong as ox. Okay, next answer. As wise as an owl. Harshika, next one.
Ma'am, very clever.
Very clever, yes. As wise as an owl. When a person is very intelligent, we generally say that she is or he is as wise as an owl. तो आपने जितनी भी स्टोरीज पढ़ी होंगी ज्यादातर उसमें क्या होता है, वन आउल इज देयर, वाइज आउल वही सबको एडवाइस देता है. ठीक है? नाउ द थर्ड वन, रेमन. यस बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. To have a huge appetite for
Have a
F
huge
part.
appetite. Yes, appetite is feeling of hunger. When you are hungry, okay? So to eat like horses, you are having a huge appetite. You can eat so much. Okay? So next one is fight like cats and dogs. So next is Adnan here.
Ma'am, to fight fearlessly.
Yes, to fight fiercely is very dangerously. Okay? To fight fiercely. Next is like two peas in a pod. Yes. Okay. So, Saksham, any online student? Yes, beta. Like two peas in a
Ma'am,
pod.
to be very,
Yes.
to be very similar.
To be very similar. Yes. So sometime two sisters are going na, so their face resembles so much. उनके faces बहुत मिलते हैं. And we people say that they are like two peas in a pod. ऐसे एक मटर का ऐसे pod बना होता है and there are peas in that. ठीक है? तो उससे compare करते हैं. Next one, Riddhima. One by one, please. Yes. Okay. Sia. See a last one.
Ma'am, C part have a very sound sleep.
Yes, to have a very sound sleep means very deep sleep. बहुत अच्छी नींद आनी, ठीक है? So, is there anyone who can tell me the meaning of log? L-O-G, log. Yes, generally one wooden piece is there. जैसे ट्री का एक ट्रंक होता है, जब हम उसको गिरा देते हैं, अगर आप उसको 100 of years आप उसको हाथ नहीं लगाओगे तो वो ऐसे लेटा रहेगा, ठीक है? So when someone is very much in deep sleep, तो हम क्या कहते हैं? He is sleeping like a log. ऐसे log की तरह पड़ा हुआ, इसको कुछ नहीं पता दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है, ठीक है? So these are the similes. Now I'll tell you the meaning of simile. So anyone who can tell me the meaning, not from book, from your own side, your own language. What is simile? For example, okay, anyone जो मुझे exact definition बताए, not from the book, from your side. Anyone? Yes, Somil. Somil, what is simile?
Ma'am, don't know.
Okay, Madhav, 5th B.
मैम वो मैंने एक्सरसाइज बताने के लिए किया था, मेरे को नहीं पता।
Okay, yes. Okay, a word that is similar to another word in just looks, ठीक है? देखने में वो सेम होता है, okay. So simile is the comparison. We compare two things. 5 minutes बाद चले जाना, ठीक है? We compare two things, ठीक है? For example, अगर मैं आपको पूछूं, there is one girl who is wearing black dress, ठीक है? आप उसकी black dress को किसके साथ compare कर सकते हो? She is wearing dress which is black as dash. Okay, well done. As black as coal. Okay, my next question. As big, कोई बहुत big चीज है. As big as an elephant. Okay, well done. Now from these students also, Ekansh, please unmute yourself. So I'll give you some surprising similes. 3-4 तो आपको मेरे को आंसर्स बताने हैं, ठीक है? Yes, Ekansh. Can you?
Ma'am, as cute as puppy.
As cute as a puppy. Okay, well done. So my question, बेटा मैं भी आपसे पूछूंगी एक. Can you hear me? Okay, as white as. पहले Ekansh try करेगा, then I'll give you chance. Yes, Ekansh. As white as. Moksh.
Ma'am, dog.
As, एक minute. As white as Ekansh.
Ma'am, dog.
Dog is not always white, beta. There are so many colorful, I think, dogs. Yes. Snow, well done. Snow. So as white as snow, snow is always white. मैंने कभी green snow, blue snow नहीं देखी. आपने देखी है? As white as cotton also. Cotton जो naturally grow करती है. Clouds, some dark clouds are always there sometime. Clouds is correct answer, but avoid this thing. आप cotton या snow में से you can choose anything, ठीक है? Milk भी मेरे को off white लगता है sometime. Off white होता है, not pure white, है ना? Ice cream, vanilla ice cream, yes. Okay. So my next, yes, as dangerous as corona, very well done. Moksh, as brave as. Nobody will speak, please. Moksh, as brave as. कुछ भी, कोई भी brave आपको कोई याद हो, कुछ भी. As brave as. हाँ? Boxer, all the boxers are not brave. One is brave, जो हारता है वो brave नहीं होता. Obviously, है ना? Tiger, okay, well done. Tiger, lion, anything. Well done. As brave as soldier, yes. So they are ready to sacrifice their life. Yes, well done. as brave as farmers. ठीक है, जो इतनी ठंड में बैठे हैं. Well done, yes. So Anshuman, now give me your own example. Each student will give me one example. अपनी कोई example खुद बनाओ अपने मन में, जल्दी से. 1 minute. Yes, Anshuman. Anshuman, speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me one.
Good morning, ma'am.
Give me one example.
As sweet. Ma'am, example of what?
Simile, beta. You are not supposed to speak up like that. Only raise your hand, okay? And don't say, ma'am, I can see. My eyesight is good. Yes. Amanpreet Singh will tell me. Disha, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Can you give me one example of simile? From
Yes, ma'am. As colorful as balloons.
as colorful as balloon. Well done. Okay. Chalo, on offline one by one.
As wise as an owl.
Amanpreet, as white as?
As wise as an owl.
As wise as an owl. That is from book, beta. Give me your example.
As white as paint.
Paint is not white always. Tell me something white which is always white. जैसे snow होती है. Yes. As beautiful as peacock. Okay, well done. As red as blood. Well done. Excellent. Yes. As sweet as honey. Okay. Repeat it. Okay. Yes. As colorful as rainbow. Very nice example. Yes, beta. As tall as Qutub Minar. Okay. Okay, bye. ठीक है. So I hope, beta, you all are listening to the similes which offline students are telling. Now Tanvi will tell us. Tanvi. Yes, Tanvi. You can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, as blind
As black
as bat.
as black as blind as bat. Okay, bat is blind. So I think we have discussed similes in very explained manner. Now next exercise. Now you have to pick out the correct word which are given in bracket. I am giving you 1 minute. Complete it quickly. Page 129. एक टॉप पे एक्सरसाइज दी हुई है. You have to pick out the correct word. Yes. And your time starts now. Give me 1 minute. आराम से पहले सॉल्व करो. बेटा मिल गई एक्सरसाइज. स्टार्ट डूइंग बेटा. जल्दी से स्टार्ट करो. No, you are not supposed to help each other. ज्यादा से ज्यादा गलत हो जाएगा. It's okay, but don't ask for help. Then चलिए, offline students will tell me answers slowly, then I'll ask online students. First line, now I'll choose myself, don't raise hands. ठीक है? First is Prachi. First answer, beta. First answer. You are speaking something, I'm not able to hear you. Page 129, beta. Come here and tell me quickly. After that, Prithvi Noor Singh. आओ मेरे पास बेटा. प्राची का I'll choose myself. Last. You don't have a book? बेटा then why didn't you tell me this thing? मैं आपको 7 वाली क्लास से ले देती. Okay, second last. Now online students, you people have to tell me the answers. Wait. First is Arav. Arav 5th B. I bought a dash और तब तक meanwhile बेटा आप next exercise करो जल्दी से. Arav.
A pair of jeans from the shop.
A pair of jeans. Correct answer. Next is Harshika again on my screen. Yes, Harshika.
Can you give me a slice of bread?
Slice of bread. Okay. Third answer. I want to drink a dash. Sakshamani. A dash. Yes, beta. Sakshamani.
Ma'am, a glass of milk.
Yes, a glass of milk. Okay. Next is Sia. Yes, Sia. Next answer. Number 4. Sia, if you can hear me, please unmute yourself. बेटा gerunds हमने किए हैं.
Have you already finished the set of?
1 second. हाँ जी बेटा.
Have you already finished the set of salads?
बेटा cereals always.
Have you ever finished the set of?
बेटा cereal we always eat in bowl में खाते हैं हम. Cereal like oats हो गए, cornflakes हो गए, they are the cereals. ठीक है? So bowl आएगा BOWL bowl. Okay? So next one is Disha. Disha 5th answer. I'll tell you. Wait. दोबारा बोलो.
Ma'am, there is a stacks of books.
Stack of books.
Ma'am, stack.
Of books. Now next question is beta you have to underline gerund. Gerund is the ing word I told you. Then you have to tell us is it a subject or object. अगर तो वो beginning में आ रहा है, starting में आ रहा है, that is subject. अगर वो बाद में आ रहा है verb के, then it is object. You got it? Now I am giving you 1 minute again. Underline ing word. If it is coming in the beginning, then it is subject. Otherwise, it is object. अगर वो verb के बाद आ रहा है तो, ठीक है? Let us give 1 minute to online students, and please give me slow answers. ठीक है? Now I'll choose myself from this line. Ishpreet, first answer. Yes. Online students, I'm giving you 1 minute. Complete it quickly. Subject or object? Next. First bench, please. Okay, first bench, yes. Last. Morning is better, normal word. Disturbing, disturb plus ing. Okay, now I'm asking, we have done. Now I'm asking online students. I'm starting with Amanpreet Singh. Amanpreet, gerund कौन से first में? And tell me, is it subject or object?
Subject.
Folks, what happened? Better tell me the word also.
Eating.
Eating is the subject gerund. Okay. Sana number 2. Now open your rough notebooks, please. Sana,
Second answer is object.
Getting better, it's come in the beginning. It is coming in the beginning.
Okay.
It's
Ma'am,
subject
it is.
Yes.
Okay.
Next is Raymond. Raymond, please tell me. Raymond, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Third
third
answer.
one. Ma'am, third gerund is making and it's in subject.
Subject. Okay, well done. Somil. Somil, I tried to unmute you, but I'm not able to do so, beta. Okay, tell me fourth answer, Somil.
Ma'am, which one?
Fourth answer, fourth answer.
Ma'am, playing object.
Okay, beta, object. Playing.
Playing object.
Okay, just Noor Kaur.
Object.
I want silence, everyone. Moksh. Yes, just Noor Kaur. Number 5, beta.
Ma'am, fifth distributing is object.
Object. Okay, well done. Next, last one is Agampreet Singh. Yes, beta. Agampreet.
Ma'am, studying object.
Yes, correct answer. So this is the end of our exercise.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, yes, you can ask.
मैम सेकंड का सब्जेक्ट है ना गेटिंग.
Yes, beta, subject है.
थैंक यू मैम.
Now everyone, please open your rough notebooks. Our next topic is you have to write an application to your class teacher requesting her to make you the monitor. Open your rough notebook. We have 15 minutes still. We have 15 minutes. Application, yes. Note down the heading first. Write an application to your class teacher requesting her to make you the discipline or cleanliness, that's your choice. I will write to make you the monitor. Okay? Now tell me the format also. Yes, beta, इसको करना. The class teacher, yes. Suppose ये आपकी notebook का बेटा ये margin है, तो please start from the extreme left side, बिल्कुल margin के साथ यहाँ पे. The का T should be capital, class C should be capital and T. So many students are there जो अभी भी principal का P small लिखते हैं. So I definitely deduct 1 mark for that. So the class teacher, first letter should be capital. The class teacher, because teachers are so many, beta, many subject teachers are there. So you have to specify this is the class teacher. Okay, next one is whatever you want to write, A or B, this is your choice. पहले क्लास लिखोगे बेटा, then Swami Sandas. Yes, beta. You can choose anything. Rough notebook है, you can cut it, beta. Now, SSDPS, each and every letter should be capital. Public, school, कुछ भी है, हमेशा आपने इसको capital लिखना है. Swami, S capital, Sant, S capital, D, P, S, SSDPS, okay? Next is, no need to write JP Nagar, because there is only one Swami Sandas in Jalandhar. Everybody knows that this is in JP Nagar. No need to write. You can simply write Jalandhar city. J should be capital. City is optional. आपको नहीं भी लिखना city, it's your wish, but you can write. This is optional. C should be capital. Next is date. You will leave one line here. Now you will write date. Yes, yes, exactly. So I am writing at the top because I think some students are not able to see it. इसके बाद मैं top पे लिख रही हूँ. Leave one line after city. And this application you have to do in your fair notebook. Now after leaving line, you have to write date. No need to write the word date. Date लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. No, मैं बताती हूँ अभी बेटा. And don't write like this. This is wrong. Yes, beta. Now again leave one line. Now subject. Who will tell me the subject? Never ever start your subject with ing. Requesting, no. Request. Request to become, yeah, सीधा to become the class monitor. No, never use ing word. And never use teacher. क्योंकि टीचर ही आपकी एप्लीकेशन पढ़ रहे हैं बेटा. रिक्वेस्ट टू मेक, टू बिकम लिख दो सीधा. टू बिकम द मॉनिटर. रिक्वेस्ट भी ठीक है बेटा. आर कैपिटल लिखना प्लीज. Now this letter should be capital, first letter. After this hyphen. Whatever you are writing, it should be capital. You can write request. Beta, leave a line. Respected ma'am. I think we are doing it for the first time. Maybe last time you did it with Kiran ma'am. So we are doing this first time. That's why I'm telling you to write it in your fair. Okay? So till here, पहले note कर लो सारे. The class teacher, your class, Swami Sandas Public School, Jalandhar City, leave a line. Yes, that we'll discuss after some time. अब मैंने जो आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन दी है ना, मैं उसका आपको क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ, ठीक है? So my first question is to Prithme Noor. Prithme, please tell me. बेटा इस लाइन में स्वामी संदास पब्लिक स्कूल में मैंने एक इंस्ट्रक्शन दी थी. What was the instruction? Well done. Yes, exactly. So from here, Agampreet Singh. After that, I'll decide मैंने किससे पूछना है. Agampreet, unmute please.
Good. Yes, ma'am.
Agampreet, my question is, while writing date लिखते हुए मैंने कोई आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन दी थी. What was the instruction? Agampreet.
मैम आपने कहा था कि वन मैम वर्ड आपने इंग्लिश में लिखने हैं, मैथ में नहीं लिखने.
ओके, एंड शॉर्ट फॉर्म अलाउड है या नहीं? फेब को FEB लिख सकते हो.
मैम नहीं अलाउड मैम, बिग फॉर्म में।
Yes. बेटा अब आप second.
नो मैम।
Okay, okay, well done. So my next question is.
थैंक यू।
Welcome, beta. So next is yes. Subject में मैंने एक instruction दी थी बेटा. Subject में. Well done. Yes. Subject का this first letter should be capital. किसी का भी small हुआ मैंने सच्ची 1 mark काट दिया. ING नहीं लगाना. Okay, well done. Any other instruction जो आपको याद है, मेरे को याद ना हो. Teacher, class teacher में T C capital. Okay, well done. Now write down your application. I am a student of. जितनी लिखी जाती लिखो, बाकी घर से लिखना. I am a student of class. Please write down. I want to become dash monitor. Maybe discipline, cleanliness, or any monitor that you want to become. No need, beta. No need. No need to leave line after respected ma'am. Directly start कर दो वहीं से. आई एम अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ योर क्लास. क्योंकि आपकी क्लास टीचर पढ़ रहे हैं, उनको पता होगा. अगर आपने फिर भी 5th ए लिख दिया, इट्स ओके. 5th ए या बी, इट्स फाइन. I want to become dash monitor. Now complete it. I'll ask you. अब ये तो है नहीं कि हर बच्चा मैम को लिख देगा और वो मान जाएंगे और सबको डिसिप्लिन मॉनिटर बना देंगे. Obviously you have to write your qualities, or you have to promise your teacher how that I will do my duties very nicely. ठीक है? I promise. I will try my best to control the class. So I'm going to write hints here. आप थोड़े बहुत hints use कर लो if you want. Discipline. Cleanliness, discipline, uniform, English speaking. Any monitor you can become. Why the teacher should make you discipline monitor? You have to write your 1 or 2 qualities. I can control the class nicely. ठीक है? I will motivate students to become good human beings. It's my humble request to make me the monitor. ठीक है? Last में. Any point better that you want to just tell me? Please, you can raise your hand. Harshika, is there any point that you want to discuss? Harshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
beta.
will motivate all students to help each other.
I will repeat it, beta.
I will motivate all students to help each other.
Well done. I will motivate the students to help each other. Yes. Correct. Any other point that you want to discuss? कुछ आपके मन में अच्छी लाइन आ रही हो कोई? Please tell me. Raymond, any one line beta that you want to tell?
Yes, ma'am. In English speaking, I will try my level best to improve my classmates' English.
Okay, to improve my classmate, and I will motivate them to speak English. Okay. Okay, I'll meet you tomorrow. This is your homework. कल हम discuss करेंगे, ठीक है? Take care, beta.